This is day 7, the final day of me trying to finish this Korshavn sweater in 7 days. And I still have to do one sleeve, one whole sleeve, and then finish this sleeve. This sweater is so incomplete, and it's the 7th day. I'm still shooting to finish this sweater in 7 days, so I literally just have to speed, finish this sleeve, start and finish this sleeve, and you know, then I'll be done. So we'll see if I'll make it. I don't know, but I'm gonna try. Well, let's do this. Okay guys, I'm on my sleeve, obviously. I'm on the second set out of 6. I finished the other sleeve like you guys already saw, and we're gonna finish this sleeve today. I'm getting ready to watch a movie with these animals.
Hello, I am the animal.
And we're all knitting on our stuff, and we're just going to knit and watch this movie. Let's get it.
Tonight,
Yeah. Hey guys, I lied. Kalila literally, I didn't even get to turn the TV on, and she was like, I think I want to read. So, I'm back down here, ready to knit down here. So, let's get started. So, guys, I went on this whole little spiel and I wasn't even recording. Anyway, I finished this monstrosity. This is what it looks like. Let's take a good look at it. Hideous.
Take a look around.
Do you see her anywhere? News flash.
You're not gonna.
But this tracks with being ugly because this was the worst experience I've ever had while knitting. So I'm not even surprised. But this is it pre-blocked. Don't really care if it changes. Might not ever wear this.
I'll wear it.
But at least I can finally stop being depressed. Because I'm finally done with this sweater. Will I ever recommend you guys knit this? No. No, I will not. If you love yourself. Okay guys, so this is how my sweater looks before blocking. This is, I was gonna turn around already. This is the front of it. And then this is the back. And then I didn't knit my sleeves long because I know after I block it, it's probably going to be like this. So I didn't want it to already be like this and then block out longer than this. Like, no. Anyway, but yeah, this is how it looks. And then I'm going to block it right now. And then I'm going to show you guys how it looks after it's blocked. Okay guys, I blocked the sweater and it looks like this. I actually can't believe I like it. I was very convinced that I would not like it because of just how boxy it looked. I was not a fan of how it looked before this, but now I like it. Would I knit it again? No, I would never knit it again, but at least, you know, I have a sweater that looks like this and I can say I knitted it, even though I will never do it again. But my sleeves look like like this. Yeah, I'm glad I stopped where I did because if I knitted it any longer, yeah, it would be super long. But I surprisingly like this length. It's not bad. Anyway, this is the back. And that's it. Lord, I would never knit this sweater again. But I'm very happy with the results, at least. At least. Anyway, that's it. Thank you guys for watching this struggle. I don't think I've ever had videos like this where I literally genuinely did not want to knit a sweater. But I'm glad you guys enjoyed my misery. On to the next challenge.